In pattern making, we create a replica of the final product from wood, metal, or plastic. For example, this gear. The pattern is made slightly oversized to allow for metal shrinkage. This ensures the final casting is the correct size up. Molds are made using sand, metal, or ceramic. The pattern is pressed into sand to create a cavity. Cores may be inserted to form internal cavities. This ensures a precise final product. Melting transforms solid metals into wicks for casting. The cupola furnace uses coke to melt iron in a continuous process. Induction furnace uses electromagnetism for precise. Crucible furnaces melt metals in container small batches. Metals like cast iron, aluminum, brass, and steel are melted in furnaces. The cupola furnace is used for cast iron. An induction furnace melts steel and aluminum. And the crucible furnace melts brass and other alloys.
All right, time to pour molten metal. We'll pour them carefully into the main cavity. Now it cools and solidifies into shape. Carefully pouring the molten metal into the mold. The metal is cooling and hardening into shape. Now it's solid and ready. After pouring, the metal cools and hardens into the required shape. Next is shakeout. The sand mold is broken away. Excess material like risers and gates is removed. Finally, grinding machining ensure precision. Cooling and solidification. The metal cools and hardens in the required shape. Shakeout and finishing. The sand mold is broken. Excess material is removed. Grinding and machining may follow for precision. The metal cools and hardens into the required height. The sand mold is broken. Excess material is removed. Grinding and machining follow for precision. Welcome. Let's tour the main sections of a foundry workshop. First is the pattern shop, where molds are designed. Next, the molding section, where sand forms are made. In fettling, castings are finished. Finally, inspection ensures quality. Welcome to the foundry. Let's look at the main sections. First is the pattern shop, where we make the initial models. Next, the molding section forms the sand molds.